price is still pushing down, and I'm still expecting a price to push lower to the next level of support, which is right here. In case you missed it, it's 2.478, goes up to 2.561, a zone from where I look to enter my buy counter trades with bearish, with bullish engulfers, or my double bottom entry confirmations. So have these zones on the charts. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. What a nice bounce out of my support area I've been mentioning from last couple of days, and as you can see, the price has pushed up. We had a nice sell condition, then we were waiting for the price to hit the support area, and we were looking to enter our buy trades, but we had a massive push up out of net gas. We had an inventory report release as well, and that was my support area. I was paying attention for my buy trades. Now looking at this good bullish candle, it is already a momentum candle, so I won't be entering at the close of this candle. So the way I would enter this trade, if you want to, let's do an Ovanda here, because we have a good engulfer from the low of this candle, from the wick till the wick, right up there. Now at this point, if you want to enter this trade, the 50% retracement can be your entry right here, and targets can be 1 ATR only. 1 ATR is enough to hit my targets because price is still below this trend line, so I won't be taking big targets. This is what I'm looking at. We can get a pullback and a possible push up till 1 ATR, and then for my next buy trades, I want to see a price to completely broken above this 50 EMA and this trend line as well. And as you know that I've been mentioning, that price is still in an uptrend on higher time frame, and if you look at daily time frame, price is forming a nice bullish engulfing candle here at the support area. But I'll be looking to enter my trades on smaller time frame like 4 hours, and with a pullback, my next pullback trades will be above 50 EMA with a pullback, and I'll keep on taking longs until the price hit the next level above, which I've already mentioned in my previous video and which I'm going to mention in my next video as well. For now, I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with a pullback once we have a complete break and close above 50 EMA with conditions only. For now, I've already explained how you can enter your trade if you want to enter with a pullback. A heads up here as well, we can also get a double bottom pattern within this area of value, so sell trades will be only below this previous low. Once the price breaks and close below this low, only then I'll look to enter my sell trades. Or if I see a rejection at 50 EMA and we have a good bearish engulfing pattern right here, that is also one of my sell conditions. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at to enter my trades for buy or sell. Keep an eye here for your conditions. Exactly the same on capital.com. Once we have a break above, we have a good signal that price wants to push up and continue to push up with a trend. You can also enter at the 50% of this candle. Targets can be 1 ATR, sell trade below this low, or with a nice condition at 50 EMA. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at to enter my trades. Once we have a conditions, whichever you get first, enter your trades accordingly. Nice one. So right here, as you can see, the gold is pushing up as mentioned, that we can get a possible push up from the recent level right here, and I still did not see any sort of condition. If this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, that is not one of my pullback entry, but I want to see a hit of my zone and then a formation of bullish engulfer. If we have that, we have a good condition to enter long. I'll only look for long trades for gold. I won't be entering any sell trade. If we have a pullback again above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, that is a very good buy signal, and we're going to take longs using 1 ATR for your targets. Initial targets will be 1 ATR, and then you can add further ATR with your targets. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, price will likely head up to the next level of resistance. Right on silver, we had a good pullback as mentioned yesterday, and now we can also get a double top confirmation. Now remember, the gold and silver go side by side, so if we have a pullback here, we can also get a pullback on gold, and then we will wait for the next conditions for both of the commodities. Now I'll mark my rejection zones like this, and we already got one top here. Price is now in the process of forming another top. So if we have a nice rejection at this termination zone, which is right here, if we have that rejection with a nice 382 candle inverted hammer, if we have a wick goes up, that is totally fine. If the candle close above, in that case we have a signal that price wants to push up and hit the next level of resistance, which is 24.60, from where I will look for another sell trade. So for now, I'm just looking for a nice double top condition here. If we have a rejection, we have good to go short, and we can set your stop loss above the rejection zone, and target can be 1 to 1, or you can manage your target. So keep an eye here for your condition. Now price has made a new low. I want to see a good pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfing candle. Once we have that condition, we have very good chance that price will keep on pushing low and keep on making new lower lows. Right here for crude oil, we had a nice bearish engulfer. If you remember my yesterday's video, we had a push down, pullback, bearish engulfer, and that wick must have been hit our target. Target was through 7.3, and if you see, the price pushed down more than 7.3. It pushed down around $1, and that is enough to hit your targets. So that is how you enter your trades with conditions. Now at this point, I'm still looking for sell trades. I won't be looking for any buy trades. We can still get a push up, hit of 50 EMA and possible rejection from 50 EMA, and then we can still go short, and price can likely to make new lower lows, and we keep on taking shots until the price hit the next level, which I'm going to mention in my weekends video. So not buying crude oil as long as we are below 50 EMA, and as long as we are not broken above 50 EMA, we're still going to take sell trades. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM in Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.